VO2 metabolic testing is certainly very useful because it gives you your rest, and body composition, right? So I have a full in-body system
Okay.
that
Scanning.
integrates blood pressure, body composition, height, weight, and even dynamic hand grip strength, because
Okay.
that is one of our key indices for longevity and sarcopenia. So for a wellness perspective, right? And that kind of helps people like, hey, look, you know, if you forget your body fat, you have a terrible grip strength, you're statistically at risk
Yeah.
for all
Yeah.
sorts of morbidities, right? Maybe not mortality, but morbidities.
Yeah.
So, hey, let's get on the gym. Look at your visceral adipose tissue. I don't care that you look great and skinny. You have tons of fat around your organs,
Right.
right? That's a, so, I mean, with really simple things, you can make profound recommendations. So, like let's take a med spa, for example, that is, people aesthetics and those kind of quick fixes, right? A body composition would be huge because you can say, hey, look, you have far too much visceral fat. You have, or whatever your proportions, however you want to do it. You don't have enough muscle mass. You could start with two peptides. Let's start with a GLP and get that visceral fat down. And then maybe we could use a GHRP or GHRH growth hormone one
Muscle.
to offset the muscle loss and get some increased muscle. And you'll get the spillover benefits from that
Yeah.
anti-inflammation, right? Immune system function, all sorts of things. So, really simple. That would be a huge bonus. And the benefit of something like InBody, at least, I mean, there's lots of systems,
Right.
but the nice thing about InBody that I like is it ties to an app
Okay.
so they can see all their data. And any InBody they use anywhere in the world will port that
Cool.
result into it. So it's very easy to track. So technology like that, VO2 testing and metabolic testing, there's probably four major companies. Pinot is the one that has the kind of marketing share. Kind of, they sort of reside on the non-active testing, even though you can do the active testing. So you get resting metabolic rate and lung capacity and some analysis of that. And then it can tie in. The nice thing about Pinot is that the reports tie into things you may have in your practice if you white label it.